What's your job? I am a driver. How about you? I and you are personal pronouns. Personal pronouns replace the subject in a sentence, such as a person, an animal, or a thing. There are 8 pronouns: singular pronouns, first person I, second person you, third person he, she, or it. Plural pronouns, first person plural we, second person you, third person they. Example: this is me. I am a teacher. You are my father. You are a driver. That is my brother. My brother is a pupil. Here there is repetition of the word my brother. My brother is the subject. I want to make the sentence shorter and more simple, so I replace my brother by the pronoun he. He replaces a male person. This is my mother. My mother is a housewife. There is repetition of the word my mother. I want to make the sentence shorter and easier. My mother is a female person, so I replace my mother by the pronoun she. This is my mother. She is a housewife. She replaces a female person. This is my house. My house is big. There is repetition of the word my house. My house is a place. It is singular, so I replace it by the pronoun it. This is my house. It is big. It is the pronoun, singular pronoun. It replaces nouns of animals, things, or places. Those are my uncle and my aunt. My uncle and my aunt are farmers. My uncle and my aunt are 2 members, so I replace by the pronoun they. Those are my uncle and my aunt. They are farmers. You and I are sisters. We are students. We replaces you and I. I, you, it, we, they replace male or female nouns. Exercise: fill in the gaps with the right pronoun. That is, my sister is 8. My name is Fadi. I'm a pupil. My mother is not a nurse, is a cook. Omar is my uncle, is a doctor. Those are not my parents, are my grandparents. Good luck and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe me in my channel. Goodbye.